Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. And I can count 1,000,000 times people asking me how I can praise you with all that I've gone through. The question just amazes me. Can circumstances possibly change who I forever am in you? Maybe since my life was changed, long before these rainy days, it's never really ever crossed my mind to turn my back on you, oh Lord, my only shelter from the storm. But instead, I draw closer through these times. So I pray, bring me joy, bring me peace, bring the chance to be free, bring me anything that brings you glory. And I know there'll be days when this life brings me pain, but if that's what it takes to praise you, Jesus, bring the rain. I am yours regardless of the clouds that may loom above, because you are much greater than the pain. You made a way for me by suffering your destiny. So tell me, what's a little rain? So I pray, bring me joy, bring me peace, bring the chance to be free, bring me anything that brings you glory. And I know there'll be days when this life brings me pain, but if that's what it takes to praise you, Jesus, bring the rain. Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty. Is the Lord God Almighty. Everybody singing, holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty. Is the Lord God Almighty. You are holy. You are holy. Oh, holy, holy, holy. Is the Lord God Almighty. Is the Lord God Almighty. Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty. Is the Lord God Almighty.